want to make a movie, baby? Oh, yeah. Take it off. Oh my god. Okay.
I like that.
It was a joke. It was a joke.
No need to choke.
Back! Get back. Okay, I'm sure no one cares but me, but if it's a random Costco in a nice part of, really nice part of Michigan, they have all their clothes hanging, like, on display. It's really weird. Typical punk black. Got 3 drinks for no reason, literally.
Stay out of the fucking yards over there.
Well,
Period.
You're a lady.
Just stay out of the yards.
You're the one.
You know, a typical punk black.
Huh?
A typical punk black. That's all you are.
I remember this being a lot bigger, by the way.
What?
The bloom, like,
It's
it's supposed to be all extravagant.
Brought in, and they brought in Duke Johnson. No. Duke got cut, remember?
He's really trying to figure out what this is.
It's a lemon. Fruit.
Fruit. What kind of fruit? Lemons, right?
Yellow fruit.
Julian, that's a vegetable called squash.
It's not squash.
Yes, it is,
Who the
Jules.
fuck is that?
Julian, I'm dead serious.
This is not squash.
Yes, it is, just like you thought mushrooms were chicken.
That was a valid excuse.
No, it wasn't.
Y'all saw how they were cooked. They were all browned and like...
All mushrooms are brown.
They look like this.
All mushrooms are brown. So let's move on.
Mushrooms are
What's the better excuse?
That's really squash.
Yes, Jules, this is squash. Like zucchini. It's like in the zucchini family.
I
It's
only
similar.
know zucchini bread. And by the time I get it, it's chocolate.
Oh my god, you cannot be helped. I'll eat it. I like squash. Oh yeah, get up in there. What did you say just as I stopped recording?
So it's not squash.
Yes, it is, Julie. Oh my god. Like,
They're literally lemon pieces.
look it up on Google. You think they put lemon pieces in there? People aren't eating lemon pieces.
People like
If they want
lemon.
it to taste like lemon, they'll put lemon juice on it. You can't think of a better yeah, I know.
It's not about a better or worse excuse. Listen, I'll say this thick, juicy piece of meat. The reason I love steak, you know, good steak. Steak is like a butt cheek.
Oh?
It's gotta be thick, fat. Like if you like thick, you can't pull thick girls on. This isn't the conversation for you. No disrespect. I love all women.
You don't. Not at all.
I'm a fan of all women.
I'm an older man that loves all women. All women. All women.
There are older men that like younger women.
Is that
there
you?
are younger women that like older men.
Are you an older man that likes younger women?
I'm an older man that love all women. 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 All women. All women. All women. All women.
Okay, I guess that means we're ready. Oh my god, you're gonna hit me with the door. And you left the light on. Even though we're in a hotel, I think that's kind of rude. There we go. What are you doing? Oh my god.
One of the construction workers was talking to me.
And?
In school.
Okay.
Mom or dad.
Right.
Or somebody. Is it right for you?
Yes.
Is it right for you?
Shut up. Oh my god.
Is it though?
Yes, though.
Oh. You've been a bitch all the time.
Yeah.
Like most people like that.
Everything must be plain. He literally thought he saw a pickle and was like, I'm gonna scream. But it's all plain. Everything was fine. What'd you just tell me?
You just heard something? You heard it, right? I told you. I knew I was a hairy kid. Kid just saw a squirrel. He said it was a beaver. Bring your addictions. Oh hell no. It's okay, you're an addict, it's okay. Come here, we'll embrace you.
Where we celebrate an exceptional legacy of innovation, 5 years later, he introduced the world to the legendary Model T. It took a crew around 12 hours to assemble each one. If Henry was going to fulfill his dream of making cars affordable to everybody, he'd have to come up with a way of keeping the quality while making more faster. Instead of the men moving to the work, what happened if the work moved to the men? By 1915, Ford's Highland Park plant could assemble a Model T in 93 minutes. And the workforce of 450 had swelled to 14,000.
Oh my god.
Definitely one of the best trucks ever survived.
Never even knew that happened.
How do you make it all one color?
Yeah.
And then like the computer.
I thought you got green.
About making sure we take care of this environment that we have so that the planet's still here for our children and grandchildren.
At the heart of production has been people.
4 years.
Oh, yeah,
years, 24 years.
How long
24
was it?
years.
Right.
29 years.
Until you reach my feet, baby, baby.
She's crying. I saw her.
Why is the clock stopped? Why is the clock stopped?
Like, ran over the Campbell at the
Play clock is good. Take it every you can get. Yeah.
I don't know why, but I'm getting it.
Make it, come on, Kenny! Come on! Run out of bounds! Run the fucking ball out of bounds! Run the fucking ball, man!
Listen, man, that's the fuck a win look like, nigga. Going out this bitch, blood pressure high. Boys gone, got the dub. Parlay.
Why you have so much energy? We're supposed to step upstairs.
Fuck it, my ass about to beat my ass, but we got a dub, so that shit don't matter. That shit don't matter. Fuck a liar.
Fuck a liar.
Fuck a liar, nigga. This Raven country. Flying over y'all niggas. My son feels so upset.
Please just read it. My birth is flew away. His name is Morgan. I live in Greenfield and Hubbard Drive in Dearborn. $500 reward if anyone's finding, please. My son feeling so upset. Please help. No one gonna find a bird in the sky. Okay, he's gone.
That nigga long gone.